Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to fit the La-Z-Boy seat, which is this bad boy at the back here. All you're going to need is a 5mm Allen key to do this one. Okay, so there's three sections to the La-Z-Boy seat configuration. You've got the main metal cage section that sits at the back, which I've already part mounted to save us a little bit of time. You've then got the backrest that sits in like that, and then you've also got the long bench that sits at the bottom here. Okay, so we're just going to put the padding to the side. So the rear cage section, it mounts on by kind of four sort of reasonably large 5mm bolts. Each one should have a washer. Okay, so I've already done the two on this side. There's 4 mounting points. I've done the 2 on this side just to save us a little bit of time. So we're just going to come around onto the other side and attach the other 2. Now you can put just a little bit of downward pressure just to make sure that the eyelets line up, and then once they do, once you got the bolt through, very straightforward, just do that up, not all the way to begin with, just so that you make it a little bit easier to get the other one on this side. There we go, nice and clean, that one. So just doing them up a little bit at a time until you can't hand tighten them any further. And then obviously you do the same on the other side. So once we've mounted the rear cage, we're then going to put the long bench in. Make sure you do this before you put the backrest on, because you can't do it any other way. So with the long bench section, there's a little catch underneath that you just pull back, and you're just going to drop it in backwards and then reach underneath the flatbed, pull the catch back, and then it will just drop into place. There is a little dial that you can do up on the bottom of the catch if you wish to, but it should stay in place. Then we need to come in with the backrest, and there's 4 Velcro straps on it. So you want the little ones, and it should just slot over the top of the long bench. The little ones go round the bottom crossbar on the back of the rear cage. Just do that, those arms up. And then there's the 2 top ones, just make sure that they go over the 2 top crossbars so that it can be done up nice and tight. You don't want the backrest shifting around or coming off. And then you have it. That is La-Z-Boy seat configuration installed.